Welcome to Webstylers. In this video, I will show you how to see the dislikes on YouTube videos. There are several online tools that help you do that. If you search YouTube dislike viewer in Google, you will find those tools. But what if you want to see dislikes on YouTube? To do that, go to Chrome Web Store and search for YouTube dislike. Chrome Web Store, search dislike viewer. You will find some extensions. Let's install return YouTube dislike. But first, let's see if this video has got dislike count shown below the video. No, just one like. So let's install this extension, return YouTube dislike. I'm using Brave. It will also work for Google Chrome. Add extension. And that's it. Let's reload this page. And now we have it. 0 dislike. If I dislike will be shown here. So this is how you can view dislikes on YouTube videos. YouTube mentions in their blog that they want to create an inclusive and respectful environment where creators have the opportunity to succeed and feel safe to express themselves. That is why they do not share dislikes count on YouTube. When you are viewing dislikes on a video, by using these extensions, it is just for you. For others, these dislikes are still hidden. But this is how you can show dislikes on YouTube videos. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.